What's going on, guys? It's your boy CoopDoctor86 back with another video where today we're going to be doing a tour of my seed vault with a new invention. Let's get right into it. Hello, Mr. Ryerson. This is my seed vault project. So first up, we got the very great depiction of what the vault looks like. This is an exact replica. There's no differences. Like, I made it perfectly. This is the best I could have ever made it. And then we got the ice cold water and the bridge. This is in the Arctic, quote unquote, even though there's literally grass right over there. Alright, start. So, for my idea to stop water from freezing, I had to get a little inspiration from none other than Crescent itself. You know those little drains where it's super deep, you can walk over them? One of them's right outside.
Hey, Mr. Ryerson, unfortunately I cut out there. What I was trying to say is there's these little drains that are really deep that you can walk on that have water at the bottom. One's right outside Mr. Bell's office. I basically decided to do that, but as the whole floor, as in the front, right as you enter in the vault.
But for the whole floor. As you can see, the floor is a massive.
Hey, Editor Cooper here again. I also froze a second time, and I was just explaining that the whole front is a floor and that your feet are big enough to stand on it and water is small enough to go through it.
Over it, but water is small enough to go through it. You might be asking, what happens to the water after it's below the strain? Well, it stores at the bottom, but there's a little microbit down here. This is a microbit sensor that if the water level goes above the sensor, then it will make this lever go off and make a trap door open so that all the water can flush into this pipeline. You might be thinking, what's my connection to another unit? Well, from our old particle theory matter unit, we know, or our fundamentals unit, we know that all matter spreads apart when it's cooled down. And obviously we're in the Arctic, so it's going to be pretty cold. And so for my pipes that the water goes down, it's going to be cold down there, and the particles will slowly get farther and farther apart, and then it'll be enough for water to go through. Well, here is my solution. Remember from our little heat lab that we did? Well, I remember a little thing called conduction, and conduction happened with none other than penguins. Yes, I put penguins that use conduction to keep the pipeline warm. So first we got Penguin Joffrey, which I'm now realizing is probably spelled with 2 F's. And there's no penguins in Minecraft, so I just use pandas. We got Penguin Tom, and my personal favorite, Penguin CJ or Cooper Jr. And you might be thinking, where does this pipeline go? Well, this pipeline leads to other places where it can be reused. So this is all environmentally friendly. I really care for the environment. I'm an environment guy. That concludes my tour of the way that I fixed the seed vault. I hope you enjoyed my seed vault fix. Thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button and that like button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video.